Hello guys, I am John Lloyd, and for this video, we're gonna solder a new shrink tube for our ready-made Western Union short tie. So this is our ready-made Western Union short tie, and this is our shrink tube and our soldering lead, and lastly our soldering iron. So the first thing that I do, I clip hold my ready-made Western Union short tie so that I can easily and comfortable to work on it. So now the soldering iron is already hot, and I start soldering the ready-made Western Union short tie. So reminder, if you are soldering, be sure that your soldering iron is hot so that it will easy to melt the soldering lead for better works. And now, I'm finished soldering the ready-made Western Union short tie. And for the next step, I use lighter to heat and to shrink the shrink tube. So this is the shrink tube. And now, we will insert the shrink tube on the middle of our Western Union short tie and occupy the exposed wire to be fully insulated. And I'm done putting on a proper position on shrink tube. And I use lighter to heat it up to shrink the tube and fully cover or seal the exposed wire. And this is my final output. And thank you guys.